Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify responsive typography using CSS clamp, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify responsive typography using CSS clamp, start by understanding the CSS clamp function. The clamp function takes three arguments: a minimum value, a preferred value, and a maximum value. Begin by setting up your HTML structure with the necessary text elements. Next, open your CSS file to style the typography. Define the font size using the clamp function in your CSS rules. For example, you can use clamp to set a responsive font size like this: clamp 1 rem, 2 VW plus 1 rem, 3 rem. This sets a minimum font size of 1 rem, a preferred size calculated based on the viewport width, and a maximum of 3 rem. Now, apply this rule to the text element you want to be responsive. After applying the clamp function, view your web page in a browser. Resize the browser window to observe how the font adjusts smoothly. If the font changes as expected, you can confirm that the clamp function is working correctly. For experimentation, try different values within the clamp function to see how they affect the typography. You might also want to apply clamp to other properties like line height for a more cohesive look. For further verification, inspect the element in the browser developer tools. Check the computed styles to ensure the font size adjusts according to the viewport size. In case of not seeing the desired result, double-check your CSS syntax and ensure your styles are properly linked to the HTML. Once satisfied, you can explore incorporating other responsive design techniques alongside CSS clamp. Consider testing on different devices or using emulators to ensure consistency across screen sizes. This final verification will help you ensure that your responsive typography offers a great user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.